Open your banking app right now. Look at that number in your savings account. That number, it's not just money. It's a mirror. It's a direct reflection of your deepest fears, your hidden anxieties, and your subconscious beliefs about your own future. Most people think a savings account is about math. It's not. It's about psychology. And today, we're going to read what yours says about you. Type 1. The Ostrich. Account balance, negligible or zero. You avoid this screen like the plague. You might even have notifications turned off. Why? Because looking at it brings a wave of anxiety, shame, and overwhelm. It's not that you don't care about saving, it's that you feel so far behind that you've given up before you've even started. Your psychology is rooted in avoidance. You'd rather not know than face the painful truth. You tell yourself you'll start when you make more money, but that day never comes. This account doesn't say you're bad with money, it screams that you're terrified of it. The tragic part? You probably make decent money, but without a savings habit, every unexpected expense feels like a crisis, creating more shame, which makes you avoid your finances even more. It's a vicious cycle. Type 2. The Hoarder. Account balance surprisingly large. Your savings account is your security blanket. Seeing that big, comfortable number makes you feel safe, protected, and in control. But there's a problem. That money is losing value every single day to inflation. It's too scared to invest, too nervous to put it to work. Your psychology is rooted in fear and scarcity. You prioritize absolute safety over any potential growth. You might even have a scarcity mindset that makes you believe this money could vanish at any moment, so you cling to it. This account says you value perceived safety over actual progress. Here's the brutal truth. That $50,000 in savings earning 0.01% interest is actually losing purchasing power every year. You're not preserving your money, you're slowly destroying it. You've chosen the illusion of safety over actual financial growth. Type 3. The Optimist. Account balance consistently growing. You have automatic transfers set up. You barely even check this account because you know the system is working. The money comes in, and it's immediately whisked away to its next mission, whether that's investments, a down payment fund, or a specific goal. Your psychology is rooted in trust and automation. You've removed emotion from the equation. You don't rely on willpower, you rely on systems. This account says you understand that money is a tool, not a scorecard. You're playing the long game. But here's a challenge. Are you so focused on optimization that you've forgotten to actually enjoy your money? Don't become so detached that you lose sight of why you're building wealth in the first place. Type 4. The Rollercoaster. You're great at saving. You diligently build that balance up for weeks or months. You feel amazing. And then a big expense hits, or you get bored, or you decide you deserve a reward, and you drain it. The cycle begins again. Your psychology is rooted in impulsivity and emotional spending. Your savings account has no name, no job, no mission. It's just a temporary holding cell for cash until your emotions decide to spend it. You use money to regulate your emotions. Stressed? Spend. Happy? Spend. Bored? Spend. The cruel irony is that the spending that's supposed to make you feel better actually makes you feel worse. Every time we drain your savings, you reinforce the belief that you can't be trusted with money. The hidden fifth type, the Saboteur. Account balance gets close to goals, then crashes. You build up savings and then deliberately destroy it right before reaching your goal. You get within $500 of your target and suddenly need to spend $2,000 on something. If this sounds familiar, you're dealing with self-worth issues around success. Part of you believes you don't deserve financial security, so you sabotage yourself. The real psychology behind all of this? Here's what most financial experts won't tell you. Your relationship with your savings account was formed before you were 7 years old. The messages you absorbed about money, security, and worthiness are now playing out in your bank balance. Your current psychological pattern will compound for the next 10, 20, 30 years. If you're an ostrich, you'll lose decades of financial growth. If you're a hoarder, you'll have money that never worked for you. Your transformation assignment. The good news is, now that you know the psychology, you can change it. Pick one action based on your type and do it today. If you're an Ostrich, name your account My Start. Transfer $5 today, just 5. Prove to yourself that you can start. If you're a Hoarder, name it My Safety Net. Decide on the exact number that makes you feel safe. 3 months of expenses. Everything beyond that goes to a new growth fund. If you're an Optimist, schedule a monthly check-in to make sure you're not optimizing the joy out of your financial life. If you're a Rollercoaster, name it something specific and emotional. Never sleeping on someone's couch again fund. My mom never has to worry about me fund. When money has emotional purpose, you're less likely to rate it. If you're a Saboteur, start microscopic. Your target isn't $10,000, it's $100, then $200. Retrain your brain to believe you deserve financial security. So, which one are you? Tell me in the comments. Be honest. Your bank balance isn't just a number, it's your autobiography. It's time to write a better story. If this opened your eyes to something you didn't realize about yourself, hit subscribe. We're going deeper into the psychology of money, and we're just getting started.